Before the registration period of last year, on November 6, a week after the 2023 barangay and SK elections, Mayor Uy made this statement publicly in a flag ceremony. Can we play the video, please?
Ng bigas. Reklamo mo kay gipaksian na sa naghatag. Pareha ba sa nadawatan ninyo sa eleksyon ni atong barangay? Gipaksian mo? Wala yung ko'y nadunggan nga napaksian. Napaksian mo? Wala. Gusto ninyong usbon? Paabutan ninyo ang 2025. Gusto ninyo padakan? Gusto ninyong padakan? Di mo gusto? Taga Carmen, di mo gusto padakan? Pangutanon mo na ako, taga Carmen, di mo gusto padakan? Kapila mo na ako, i-review ganiha, unta to. Basing daghan na mo transfer sa Carmen, First District, Ang importante nga, tanan man ka nakadawat. Nakadawat? Kung gusto ninyo padakan, gusto mo padayon to, transfer mo sa Barangay Carmen. Siguro man ko nga next year na ay registration.
So, Mr. Chair, that is the precursor to this 44% increase in the number of registered voters in Barangay Carmen. Right after the video showing the mayor making that proclamation asking people to transfer to Barangay Carmen, we have noticed a 44% increase since 2023, where before there was only a 3% increase from the 2022 elections up to the 2023 barangay elections.